guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today it's gonna be an unboxing video and I'm very excited for this video because I've been waiting for this bag for a very long time and I finally got it. So before I show you what the bag is, I'm gonna tell you a little story behind it. I've been looking for this bag for a very long time. It's out of stock everywhere. Don't mind those sounds. That's my dog right there. He's playing with his toy. I've been wanting this for a very long time and it's out of stock everywhere in the United States. And I did ask my SA and she said it's out of stock everywhere. She couldn't find it too. I asked my friend, she lives in London and I've heard that there is one available in London and my friend lives there, and I immediately contacted her and I asked her if she could go grab this for me because this is, oh my god, I cannot tell you how much I wanted this bag and I wanted it this year for fall and winter. She sent it to me via DHL and I got it. I had to pay some customs. It's not too bad. It's like $60 or something. That's not too bad. But yeah, I finally got my hands on this bag and now let's do the unboxing. I wanted to do this with you guys because you guys do not even know how excited I am to see the bag. I did not see it. I did not even open the box. I just came back home from work and I wanted to do it with you guys to show you my excitement for this bag. So let's go. Oh my god, the color. So cute. Oh my god, look at it. So good. This is the color that I wanted for a very long time and it's sold out everywhere. It's the spicy chocolate color. There's also another color called burgundy, and burgundy comes in the bigger one, but the spicy chocolate doesn't come in the bigger one, and I wanted the spicy chocolate and I would prefer the smaller one because I did go to the store here in Atlanta and I did try on both the sizes. I did not like the bigger size because it's more of a practical bag for me and I have a lot of practical bags. I wanted an evening wear and a party bag, so I thought this would be perfect. It's not very small, but it's good for an evening bag and as a party bag. The only drawback about this bag is that whatever you put in here, you have to be very careful because it keeps falling out of the bag. That's the only drawback. Otherwise, this is such a classy bag for like a night out or for like as an evening bag or a party wear bag. It's very cute and I absolutely love this beauty. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.